There are many different types of children's car seats. At the In-Car Safety Centre, we carry the largest range in the UK and Ireland. We also specialise in modifying and adapting seats for children with special needs or medical conditions, where seating in a regular seat can be challenging. For babies born with Exomphalos, we offer an infant carrier with a specially adapted harness, the object being to reduce pressure on the lower body. It features a pad which is attached to the crotch buckle with Velcro. This protects the Exomphalos from the buckle. It also features an elastic strap that turns the edge of the harness webbing away from the Exomphalos, thereby decreasing pressure on it whilst allowing the harness to restrain the baby normally. This is one of many customised modifications we can make to infant carriers and car seats for children with special needs or medical conditions. For more information and expert advice, or to arrange a personal consultation, contact us at the In-Car Safety Centre or go to incarsafetycentre.co.uk.